Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Beauty Forever Hair once again. This is a packaging for today. I got a tote bag as well as a branded drawstring bag, the usual one that I'd get. I love getting these because then I can store my wig in them, so that comes in very handy. So I got a pair of HD wig caps. I got a branded Beauty Forever elastic headband. Also got a set of press-on nails, which are really cute, and this is the wig. I actually got two pairs of HD wig caps, by the way, but yeah, this is the wig that we're working with today. It's their 5x5 HD lace glueless wig, and it's a body wave texture. It's a put on and go pre-everything wig. As you can see, it's pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-everything. As I said, these curls are so soft and silky. I absolutely loved it. This is how the inside of the wig looks. All right, also has that non-slip strip in the back of the cap. There is one comb in the back, and the sides are curved to accommodate the ear shape, so love that. I got an adjustable elastic band to attach on the inside of the cap. Once I slipped it on, look at that. I must tell you, I was completely just amazed with how this melted right away. Like, no cast, is super invisible. Like, you see my reaction, like, super invisible. Yeah, 10 out of 10 right away. No lace. I didn't need to cut off any of the lace. You know, usually there'd be a little extra. There's nothing for me to do. I didn't even need to add any makeup to this. Love it. Love it. It's gorgeous. Yeah, so I had on a black shirt there, so I changed it because I wanted the hair to show better. But yeah, completely glueless. I am in awe. So basically, this is their BLENDAWAY professional grade 5x5 HD balanced lace wig. That's what they classify it as. I'm just showing you guys that I'm switching up the parting here, by the way, and it's the pre-pluck work on this is so nicely done. It's so nicely graduated. But basically, I just jumped into styling the hair because there's not much to do. They already customized the hell out of this wig. It's so flawless. I can't even lie, it's so good. There's not much left for me to customize, honestly, so I just went straight into styling it. So I got my wax to go through the top there to get it really nice and flat, and then my hot comb. I'm gonna refresh the curls right throughout, so I'm gonna get my curling iron, and you guys are gonna see that. But let's talk a little bit more about the wig. As I said, you don't need to do anything. It comes pre-done completely. You can clearly see the difference with these knots apart from other wigs. Like, it's way more camouflage. It's blended into your skin nicely. Like, what's not to love? And basically, they used a ultra thin lace in the lace area. All right, so it blends effortlessly with your skin. They call it a super blend. All right, and that aids to give more of a natural hairline. The texture of the hair, as I say, is very soft. The wig, the fit of it is very comfortable. All right, so I love how they made sure to just have one of the best craftsmanship on this kind of wig here today. I 10 out of 10 recommend so far. I don't listen, I'm midway through this video, and I can tell you that, yeah, I 10 out of 10 recommend. Like, the way that this lace is behaving like scalp, yeah, I absolutely love it. So you guys, I'm just gonna continue to style it, and then, you know, kind of just put music over that portion. So once I'm done, I'll come back.
Go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did by default and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, though. I'm a mind that's with the talk, though. I put my life into my job, and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that careful. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. Shadow. I dey cut when them kill Sovoma. I dey try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like Ibona. Now so much you make with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timberlake at you. I'm a white dog in Fenissu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timberlake at you. I'm a white dog in Fenissu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. The young past, last. Now everybody could try breakfast. I have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life, my eye, don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow. 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 Another banger. Make a call, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a keep, but the bong, 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 your body, kakara, make a bong, 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 on a make it. Kilo fat, I'm a dead chocolate, fine, oh, baguette, watch your love for like it, why not more, your body, chocolate, but she ready, yeah, in my day, the ball, see, kilo fat, why now, my lady, let me wait in there, body, I'm a damn easy, baby, I want to give me control, even want to get out, I'm a make up my eye, I'm a need to can you, I go my eye, I'm a need to can you, maybe, I don't money in there, do maybe don't go carry belly, maybe, like one of me see, yeah, can't see, baby, make a bomb, make a bomb, make a bomb, make a keep, make a bomb, your body, make a bomb, on a make it, get a bomb, fine girl, make it over there, do fine boy like this, so if I yes you want, I go vex, okini nafia, okini baby, okini lady, plenty money, okini nafia, okini baby, okini lady, plenty money, toge makiwa, weyo motola, Messi agbe oya, palanga money, joya, shade joya, take a wole patako, mama sexy mama, follow me come my joya.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find what I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me something, yeah.
And yeah, that's it. Once I was done with curling the entire wig, this is how we're looking. Really nice soft curls. This whole vibe is giving me brunch, hence the makeup, which you guys will see in a video. You should have seen that video already, but yes, so gorgeous, right? Oh my gosh, so gorgeous, so gorgeous. If you guys love this look and just the construction of this wig, go ahead and give this video a thumb up. The direct link to order it if you're interested is down below. Any deals and a discount that will be listed, all the specifications will be listed. That's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.